Here are some exercises for your shoulders. So let's start with the rotator cuff. So shoulders are down and back, palms are up. You can even contract your glutes, abs tight. Okay? And we're gonna slowly open and slowly to come back. Press your big toes on the floor. Exhale. Inhale. And I want you to do between 10 to 12 repetitions. Your next one, palms down. Okay, so I have a little bit of tension right here. Bring your arms up, shoulders are down. You do that only if you have no more problem with your shoulders. You just want to strengthen them. Shoulders down, and then you're going to stretch the band right here on your chest. Arms are straight, slowly come up. Inhale, exhale. Good. And again, slowly up, slowly down. If you feel that one shoulder is lifting, you're going to need to use probably your terracane and release some tension on the side of the neck. Same thing, try to do between 8 and 12 repetitions. Your next one right here. Again, I have a little bit of tension. Shoulders are down and back, and you're going to pull back. Okay? So contract your glutes. You can even bring your heels together if you want. And pull back. Abs are tight. Look straight ahead. Chin tuck. There we go. Try to do between 10 to 12 repetitions. You're going to bring your palms facing each other with your thumbs up. I'm going to go back to rotator cuff. Ready? And I'm just going to open right here. Inhale, exhale to open. Good. That's it. And try to do between 8 and 12 repetitions. Your next one. If I step with the elastic, your TheraBand, with my left foot, I'm going to use my right hand. So I want you to test your tension. So contract your glutes. I'm doing that little pelvis tilt. Abs are tight. And bring your arm up and above your shoulder. So you're going to start your lawnmower. Down, you can even grab it shorter if you want. And up. Down and up. It's okay to bend over a little bit. Just make sure you're bringing your abs into your spine. And of course, you can switch side, same thing, do between 8 and 12 repetitions. So slightly bent knees, abs are tight, thumb up and down. And between 8 and 12. Voila, and let me know how it's going.